The question is, in the structure ClF3, the number of lone pairs of electrons on central atom Cl is. So let's first see what is the electronic configuration of the valence shell of Cl atom. So the electronic configuration of Cl is, of the valence atom is 3s2 and 3p5. So there is total 7 number of valence electrons in the valence shell, and in the compound Cl, 3 of those electrons are occupied by the fluorine atom. So in total, out of 7, 3 are occupied, so 4 electrons are left. Thus these two form two lone pairs. Thus option 4 is the answer.